Okay, welcome back. See Lindelof videos. Implicit differentiation at a point using your ti-nspire CAS. Let's get straight to it. This is not a very difficult thing, just a couple steps. Go straight to your calculator. Going to go to menu. This is super important. Go to the menu button. Go to calculus. This is where people screw up because look, there's a lot of stuff after 9. You just have to go down to it. So calculus implicit differentiation. Sorry, you guys. This is actually a pretty easy equation. I'm going to use x cubed. Make sure you go down with your cursor y plus y cubed x. So we're going to just have a y cubed x, y cubed x. Stay with me. This is going to be really easy. Y cubed x is equal to 10 in this case. Now, when we do implicit differentiation, we need a comma here, and we need an x and a y because that's implicit differentiation, right? So there's our implicit derivative. This is where it gets kind of weird for people because what you're going to be asked to do is find it at a point. So all I did was use my cursor. I blued that out. I covered it with my cursor. I hit enter, right? From here, super easy. All you got to do here is control store. Remember, we're going to store this as f of x comma y. Enter, right? Again, easy. F of, and they gave us a point. The point they gave us was the point 1 comma 2. Hit enter. There's your derivative at the point 1, 2. Did this in a minute 45 seconds. Thanks for watching. Any comments or questions, let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do.